Hello students, today we are going to see 12th standard business maths chapter 7 exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. Let us see the ninth question. The average number of phone calls per minute into the switchboard of a company between 10 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. is 2.5. Find the probability that during one particular minute there will be no phone at all and exactly 3 calls. Third one is at least 5 calls. Let us see this question. First we have to know Poisson distribution. What is the Poisson distribution formula? P of x comma lambda is equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power x divided by x factorial. Now we have to find out what is lambda according to the question. What is lambda in this question? Given average number of phone calls between 10 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. per minute is 2.5. So ninth question, lambda is equal to 2.5. That is given in the question. And what is the formula for P of x comma lambda is equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power x divided by x factorial. This is the formula for Poisson distribution. Now what is the question? First one is no phone at all. No phone at all means you have to take it as P of x is equal to 0. So P of no phone at all. So that is equal to P of x is equal to 0. So P of x is equal to 0 means you have to substitute in this equation e power minus 2.5 into 2.5 the whole power 0 divided by 0 factorial. So that is equal to e power minus 2.5 value 0.08 208 into 1 divided by 1. So what is the answer for first question? That is 0.08208. So that is equal to 0.08208 is the answer for the first question. And second one is exactly 3 calls. So P of exactly 3 calls. So you have to take it as P of x is equal to 3. So what is P of x is equal to 3? That is, you have to substitute in that equation e power minus lambda into lambda power, that is x 3 divided by 3 factorial. So that is equal to 0.08208 into 2.5 the whole power 3 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. If we simplify this one, we will get the answer for P of x is equal to 3 is 0.2138. 0.2138. So P of x is equal to 3 is 0.2138. This is the answer. Let us see the third question. What is the third one? P of at least 5 calls. P of at least 5 calls. So P of that is equal to P of x greater than or equal to 5. That should be changed into 1 minus P of x less than 5. So now we have to take it as P of 1 minus P of x is, so that is equal to 1 minus P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2 plus P of x is equal to 3 and P of x is equal to 4 because less than 5 only. So that is equal to 1 minus P of e power minus 2.5 into 2.5 the whole power 0 by 0 factorial plus e power minus 2.5 into 2.5 the whole power 1 divided by 1 factorial plus e power minus 2.5 into 2.5 the whole power 2 divided by 2 factorial and plus E of minus 2.5, 2.5 into 3 factorial by 3 by 3 factorial and plus e power minus 2.5 into 2.5 the whole power 4 divided by 4 factorial. Now you have to take it as minus e power minus 2.5 is common. We will get here 1 only there. So 1 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 the whole square divided by 2 plus 2.5 the whole power 3 divided by 3 factorial, that is 6, 3 2s are 6, plus e power minus 2.5 out, so take it as common, 2 power 4 divided by 4 into 3 into 2, so 4 3s are 12, 4 into 3 into 2 means 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. If we simplify this one, what we will get? First you have to take it as this is the value of 0.08208. Let us see how to simplify this one. So that is equal to 1 minus 0.08, that is 0.08208 into, if we simplify all the one, we will get 10.8566. 10.8566, that is here 1 plus 2.5 plus, and simplify this term, 3 terms you have to simplify, we will get 10.8566. So that is equal to 1 minus, we will get 0.8911 and minus we will get 1 minus we will get 0.1089, 0.1089. So P of that is at least 5 called 0.1089. The 10th question is the distribution of the number of road accidents per day in a city is Poisson with mean 4. Find the number of days out of 100 days when there will be no accident, at least 2 accident and at most 3 accident. First let us see for 1 day, and we have to find out for 100 days. If we find out 1 day answer, you have to multiply by 100, we will get for 100 days. First one mean is given, that is lambda is equal to 4. And first question is no accident means you have to take it as P of x is equal to 0. So that is equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power x divided by x factorial. So that is equal to e power minus lambda is minus 4 and 4 power 0 divided by 0 factorial. Here 1 only. So what is the value of e power minus 4 means 0.0183. 0.0183. And this is for 1 day. So let us multiply by 100. We will get 100 days for 100 days. And if we multiply by this one, we will get 1.83. So you have to approximately consider that is 2 days. Approximately we have to find out 2 days. And second question is at least 2 accidents per day. So at least per 2 accidents means we have to take it as P of x greater than or equal to 0. This should be considered minus 1 minus P of x less than 2. So that is equal to 1 minus P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2. So that is equal to 1 minus e power minus lambda is common. So e power minus 4 is common. So x is equal to 0 means lambda power x. So 4 power 0 divided by 0 factorial plus 4 power 1 divided by 1 factorial plus 4 power 2 divided by 2 factorial. And if we simplify, we will get that is here 1 and 1 plus 4 less than 2 means you have to take it as only 1, not 2. So the second term is not needed. So the first one less than 2 means you have to take it as only 4 power 0 divided by 0 factorial. So that is equal to 1 minus here value 0.18 0.0183 into here 1 plus 4, that is enough, 1 plus 4. So that is equal to, if we multiply 5, 1 plus 4, 5 into 0.183 and 1 minus means we have to get the answer for 0.0985. 0.0985. This is for 1 day. So if we multiply 0985 into 100, we will get, that is 90.85. So you have to consider as 90.85 means you have to consider as 91 days. So for the second question, we have to take it as 91 days. And next one is, we have to find out for at most 3 accidents. What is the meaning of at most 3 accidents? So that is, at most 3 accidents means x less than or equal to 3. So that is equal to x less than or equal to 3 means p of x is equal to 0 plus x is equal to 1 plus x is equal to 2 plus x is equal to 3. Now you have to take the common value for e power minus lambda is the common. So first one we will get lambda power 1, that is 0 means we will get 1 only, and here lambda power 1 means 4 power 1. First you have to take it as here 1, here lambda and here lambda square divided by 2 plus lambda power 3 divided by 6 according to the formula. Now you have to substitute e power minus 4, 1 plus 4 square, that is 16 divided by 2 plus 4 cube, that is 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 divided by 6. So that is equal to, what is the value of e power minus 4? That is 0.0183 into 23.666, 23.666, and if we multiply these two numbers we will get 0.4331. And if this is for 1 day, so you have to multiply for 100, we will get for 100 days. So what is the answer? 43.31. So 43.31 means you have to consider as, that is 43 days. Thank you students. Thank you for listening. We will see the next sums in the next class. Thank you.